Hello, viewers. I hope you had happy holidays, but you know what? I've got one more gift just for you. Let's open it, see what's inside. It's a disclaimer that says the following video is for mature audiences.
I'm too old to be crying.
Fuck off. No, you're not. I cry all the time.
Really? When?
When I was your age, I cried for weeks when the Raiders left LA.
Yeah, that's totally the fucking same as my dad never being home.
Whoa, motherfucker. Language. And it was the same. My pops had season tickets growing up. Seats sucked, but I just liked being there with them. So, yeah, when they moved, I was crying like a little bitch, too.
Are you saying I'm crying like a bitch?
Yes, bitch. That's exactly what I'm saying. What do you want from the store? Your dad gave me 100 and I gotta break the shit anyway.
He pays you?
To be around your crying bitch ass? Fuck yeah, he pays me. Now, come on, whatever you want. Just make it less than $20, cause I'm not trying to go broke every time you get lonely.
Can I get a Twinkie?
Hey, cause you're crying, you can have two.
They come in 2-packs.
No shit, kid. I was joking. Keep up. There, bitch. You happy now?
Whoa.
Yeah, whoa. Now you can be sad like 8 more times before bothering me.
I didn't realize you two were that close. That it went back that far.
He was like a big brother to me. I didn't appreciate it enough.
I'm sorry.
Chase would only babysit nights when Dad had to deal with something big. Working late, he called it. And it was fine being alone, but I'd still ask to have him watch me because I could guilt trip him into buying me shit. He never said no. I made him run a lot back then.
Right. So maybe one less store run for bitch-ass Robert and he wouldn't be stuck in here. That's what you're saying, right?
I mean, it was, but now that you put it like that...
Hey, the only person that put Chase here. Pending the investigation, Invisigal suspended. Obviously, but... I think you should consider cutting her from the team. I'm not saying you should. I'm just saying you should consider it. It's 100% your call.
I'm worried something like that might just make things worse.
Yeah, it's just... I can't help but think that we've already cut a hero for far less.
We had to send a message.
That's kind of my point.
Just gets better and better.
Vending machine?
Whatever I want.
He's so fucking proud of the man you've become. He told me that.
You okay, bud?
It's just... I'm just mad.
Yeah. I'm a little mad too.
I can't. It's not fair. Invisigal was the one who... And then Chase shouldn't have... Do you think he did the right thing? I mean, I don't... It seems very not clear. Or unclear.
I think Chase knew he was the only one who could save her, and he knew the risk. So yeah, I think it was ultimately the right thing. Fuck. Case in point. Feel better?
Kinda. I'll clean it up.
Hey. You've all probably heard some version of what happened. Let's get to it. Main takeaways are that Invisigal has been suspended, so we're a person down the shift, and that Chase is in the infirmary. And he's in pretty rough shape. Despite his disposition, he really likes you all. Just don't tell him I told you that. I've found doing something good always helps when I'm feeling bad. We're fortunate to have that opportunity. Something Chase never took for granted. So, let's get to work.
Hey, we've got a fuck ton of beached whales off the coast. Could really use some help getting them back in the ocean.
Haul a dozen 25-ton whales back into the ocean. Move them as fast as possible before a large crowd gathers.
Thanks to the structural reinforcement, the damage to the resort is not as bad as it could have been.
Evacuate the resort as a precaution. Identify the structural integrity of the resort.
Upchuck's rugby team lost, and he's throwing a very toxic tantrum.
Acid vomit villain Upchuck is using the rain to rain terror on civilians at the stadium. Use necessary force to apprehend this super.
Oh, shite. I know this guy. He used to have more hair.
The rain's causing one of those Volta Virtue cars to short out. I think the driver's lost control. Stop the runaway car before it crashes into the neighborhood. Get any civilians in the path of its destruction to safety. Ugh, this guy's spewing all over the place. Endure the acid, knock him out with a chair, locked option golem required. I know this guy.
Right. Definitely don't mention that part, but, can you go talk to him?
Yeah, happy to. Where have you ever got around to adopting that dog?
Upchuck distracted.
Golem? Well, Golem's shit-faced. I think he's about to piss mud on the high school.
Yeah, you know, I saw him pulling over a beer truck earlier. I did think that was weird.
Come on, buddy. Spit it out.
A lot of vomiting this shift.
Golem, I get it. I want to get shit-faced right now more than anything, but we've got a job to do, and I need all of you to just hang in there until the end of the shift. After that, you can do whatever the fuck you want. Cool? Can someone please go get Golem before he does more property damage?
Save Golem from himself and carry him back to SDN. Calm the angry civilians whose cars have been trashed.
If there's no one else.
Okay, so we've got a super down here who controls bugs. Apparently they have beef with one of our farmers using pesticides. It's getting real biblical down here.
Take down the bug-controlling assailant, save the farmer being attacked by bees.
Sure, yeah.
Made the fucking rain. Flying's a bitch, you can't see shit. The streets turned into a goddamn slip and slide.
I fucking love slip and slides, bro.
I haven't seen it come down this bad in a while.
I like it. Feels right for today.
Fucking cool it, emo boy. Gave him the best hug I could muster. I think it helped.
Not so tough with the bees in another dimension. Hey. The Bone Zone pissed off the wrong gang, and they're holding him hostage. Listen, I know he sucks, but he writes my checks. Can you please just rescue him?
Rescue the Bone Zone and his employees from the Deadly Dozen, a band of villains. Break through the barricades at the radio station.
helps me keep my mind off of things. I really think it can help the team, too.
Hi, just calling to confirm one of your Z-Team heroes for our interview this afternoon to discuss the Phoenix program.
Participate in an interview informing the audience about the Phoenix program at SDN. Reassure the public that you are the good guys now.
Huh? Oh, sure.
Hello? Is this thing working?
Huh?
I'm running late to the airport. Escort the mayor's assistant to the airport before the flight takes off.
Let's go, guys.
Red Wing's coordinating strikes across Torrance. Looks like they're hitting the port next.
Option 1. Eager Super Sponge. Waterboy now gains +3 to the highest stat for that call. Option 2. Holy Water Spit. Waterboy no longer assigns himself. Waterboy will heal up to 2 heroes when sent on a call together. What angle should we use? Locked options, sonar required. Focus on the facts, overhype the team.
Okay, listen, we need to play it safe. I don't want anyone else getting hurt.
Option 1, play it safe, low injury risk. Recon only, find out what they're up to, don't be seen, don't want any more losses on the team.
Now is our chance to get payback. For Chase.
Option 2, high injury risk, entire Z-Team will get experience, bring the fight to them, make them pay for what they did to Chase. Don't get hurt.
Of course.
Fine, I'll fucking say it. What if Chase dies?
If you don't shut your mouth.
What are you on about, lad?
Death is the end of every story.
That's, why? Even not talking about it won't make it go away, okay? These fucking babies.
If he dies, he'll be taken care of. That I can promise.
How do you know?
I just did. Trust me.
Girl, what the fuck even are you?
This fucking rain is flooding our neighborhood. We need this water gone.
Investigate what could be causing flooding in East Torrance. Move quickly before the flooding submerges the houses. Not looking good. What can we do? Locked option, water boy required. Fetch the buckets. Examine the storm drains for clogs.
We need backup down here. There's a mass pileup and the tanker caught fire.
Rescue the trapped civilians in cars. The fire is growing despite the rain. Put it out quick.
I'm going.
The room's booked, yeah?
Yeah, confirmed it this morning. We're all good. Like we don't have enough fucking problems.
Bueno, sigo there.
Okay, team. Good shift, all things considered. See you tomorrow. Hopefully with some good news.
Damn, you went farther than I thought. What are y'all looking at?
You've got a little.
Oh. Cheers, lad. Good looking out.
Hello, everyone. What's going on?
What's it look like? This dumbass kicked that dumbass out the fucking door.
Okay, cool. Now that we got all of the details clear, why?
That's just a difference of opinion. I got heated, got in Golem's face. He had every right to punt me through the wall.
Right, it's a door, and I doubt you were actually in his face.
More like ankle, which made him easier to kick.
What the fuck is going on?
We want her out.
We voted. It was nearly unanimous.
She shouldn't have done what she did. I think she should go, sir. Boss. Robert.
Who wants her to stay?
Just me. But the team is more important than any one of us, so I won't stand in the way.
You could have led with that.
I feel the same as Golem. You all let me back in when you didn't have to. But I won't make you keep someone you want gone.
We heard about the suspension bullshit. It ain't enough, Robert. Not for what she did. To put everything we've been building at risk, and for what? I like the bitch, but she gotta go.
And by go, we mean cut. Just like you cut Sonar. No one here wants to say it's also her. But that's what it is. You've caught one of us already for far less. And why? To send a message to set a standard? Well, where's that talk now?
Look, I probably don't say this enough, but I'm proud of all of you. How far you've come. A few months ago, you wouldn't have been in a room like this discussing the needs of the Z team, and if you did, there'd be a lot more than one broken door. But I'm not cutting Invisigal. We don't kick people when they're down.
we lift them up, and I believe of her what I believe of all of you, that her heart is in the right place. It's what took us from being a team to being this weird, fucked up family. Look, you're hurting. Okay, I get it. I'm hurting. We are all hurting. Now isn't the time to cast blame. It's the time to come together and heal.
Busy? Sorry, I can come back.
Why? First time we met, you were in your underwear. Fitting, right? Last time you see me, that I'd be in mine? I really do appreciate you defending me, but you shouldn't. Listen to your team. They don't want me here.
This is probably hard for you to hear right now, but this isn't your fault. No, you went in knowing the risks. What you were willing to put on the line to help me. What you didn't know was what Chase was willing to put on the line for you. And so please don't throw all of that away by walking away from this. From us.
They're right. I don't deserve anyone's forgiveness. Anyone's help, anyone's love. Because I can never repay it. Nothing I do will ever make up for what I've already done to you. I'd hoped getting the astral pulse back would help, but I couldn't even do that.
Vizzy, you don't owe anyone anything, okay? Least of all me.
I was there that night.
What are you saying?
I never ran with crews. Always did my own thing, but my asthma was getting worse, and they had an augment that could increase my lung capacity. Only catch is I'd have to work for them, paying down for years. Shroud came to me and said I could have the whole deck cleared if I was able to do one thing. Place a bomb on the back of Mecha Man undetected.
Good news, buddy. Shroud doesn't just mark the astral pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
I walked out before it even blew. My augments conveniently stopped working. So I signed up for the Phoenix program the next day. Which gave me the chance to fuck your life up twice. You gonna say something?
Well, I forgive you. So there, will you fucking chill out now?
You can't fucking forgive me? You haven't even, processed what's going on.
You did villain shit while you were a villain. Does it change things that you directed at me? No, it doesn't. That's in the past. You're not the same person that was there that night, neither am I.
That's sweet, but I feel numb.
Hey, stop making this feel like a goodbye. Okay, you're suspended. It's temporary. I'm not letting anyone cut you.
All I wanted from this was for you to look at me the same way you look at Blazer. Even if it was just once, you know? That'd have been enough.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Yes. You do.
All right, well, you boys don't stay up too late.
I mean, I hope they all die. I'm serious. Any dumbass walking into a trap that fucking stupid should have the plug pulled right now. Just pillows over faces.
Oh man, have you seen what the poison does to their faces? They get all red and puffy. All right.
I'm sorry. It's my fault. I've been distracting you.
Get me another drink. I smashed mine.
Sure. You all right? You seem perturbed.
Fuck. I know what's going on. Kid probably lost someone there. He's always been staring at that shit all night. Get him a drink on me.
Nah, this one's on me. Oh my.
Track star. That guy sucks. I was fast, but now I'm old. Get fucked.
Cheers, fellas, to the fucking dream. To 5 minutes with the tightest ass in all of LA County. Can you motorboat an ass? Probably not, right? End up blowing air right up her butthole. Well, What's up? You don't like asses? The fuck's up with this guy?
Hey, I'm great at predicting things, and I can't believe he let that go.
Okay, now I don't know what he's talking about. Freckles, you mind telling me what's going on?
I respect her. Blazer. Real fucking superhero. I know we're in a villain bar, but have some class, you know? If you're gonna blow some fucker's brains out, non-slip mats are a must. Need some for the hideout. Feels silly calling it a hideout. Can you take care of him for me? Obviously, you two don't need an introduction.
I've been waiting for this.
Your dad. Chase. Your little team of turncoats. You think you can beat the bad by being good. But there's no solving human nature. You can't stop evil. All you can do is control it.
This isn't working.
I thought you wanted revenge. This was your father's gun. Kept it in his locker, fully loaded. 6 shots. He couldn't have predicted I'd use it to kill him. The first bullet grazed his shoulder. I hadn't adjusted to the adrenaline spike. The second hit his upper chest. The third burst his heart. He was lying on the floor, eyes full of fear, when I put the fourth through his face. Bit of a waste to put the fifth through that idiot's skull, but I wanted to make sure it worked after all these years. Your father was the last person to touch this bullet. And now, there's a 16.5% chance it touches you next. Your invisible girlfriend stole my astral pulse to give it to you. Where the fuck is it? Mega Man. Heroes are the past. With the pulse, I'll control this city and restore balance. I'll bring order to chaos.
I don't have it. Never did.
This is why I hate luck. Runs out.
If I had it, why'd I let you string me up like a fucking piñata? She didn't get the pulse.
You actually believe that? Show him. Invisibitch has the pulse. That I know. What I don't know is why she didn't give it to you. She played you too. Here I am thinking she's working with you, but she's fucking us both. She didn't take it for you. She took it for herself. It's okay. She fooled me too. The blonde blazer. I fired the bartender, but I can still get you something to drink.
No, thank you.
Then to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm here for him. In 5 minutes, this bar will be surrounded by SDN agents, heroes, and whoever else you and your ring have pissed off recently, which happens to be every gang in Los Angeles. Now, if
Bullshit.
Not disrespect one of the last true heroes. Sorry about that. If they weren't shit, you wouldn't have cut them. You were saying?
I can see I'm outnumbered, that eventually I would fall. But by my read, I'm taking a lot of you with me. So all of you can leave now. Or half of you can die here.
Now that's a fucking superhero. Chills. Top notch. You made them nervous. Okay, we're out of here. Take your piss-soaked pants out the back, please. Don't want to tempt this tiger. Now's not our time, Blazer. But it's coming sooner than you think. Oh. And by my calculations, it was closer to 32%. But half sounds better.
You saved me. Again.
Yeah. You should really sign up for this SDN service I keep hearing about. Don't worry. I've got you. He really tenderized you. Are you sure he's right about Invisigal?
Yeah. I saw the footage.
What is her play? Why wouldn't she tell you if she has it? I don't understand what she would want it for unless she's trying to keep you out of the suit.
She's planning something. Just don't know what.
I don't see the angle.
You're probably right. Just need to sit here for like a few weeks, then I'll be right as rain.
Take your time. I don't know how you're conscious.
See, when the pain's constant, it's easier to get used to. That goes for physical and emotional. Ow. Really is nice up here. Thank you. Don't remember if I've thanked you before, but...
About 50 times. You were muttering it the whole flight.
Then I take it back.
You should know I was going to take you to the actual Hollywood sign. Not as sturdy as you.
You're not leaving me here again. What's going on?
What's it look like? This dumbass kicked that dumbass out the fucking door.